Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days of sales in shoes, and more shoes is what I made my money on this time. All right, so let's just get right into the profits. So I'm gonna give you the item that sold. I'll let you know exactly what it sold for and tell you how much I paid for it, and we'll deduct that. So here's a pair of really cute Cat and Jack kids shoes, size 10 for little boys, little toddler boys, Cat and Jack sneakers. So those actually sold for $11, but I'm gonna give you my earnings number. So $6.25 is what I made on that. And then I actually paid $4 for those off of a pallet. So $6.25 minus my 4 is $2.25. So that's my actual profit once I pay myself back. The next thing I've got is a Swiss Gear travel bag that I got actually out of a liquidation box for $1. I was really excited to earn that. So my earnings were $9.05. And so I'm going to take my dollar off. $8.05 are my total profits there. Then I got a pair of really cute Sociology brown women's knee-high Macy boots is what they're called. Size 7.5. Those cost me $4 out of a liquidation box. $5.25 is what I earned, so I'm at $1.25 for profit. Then I've got some really cute Jen Ardor sneakers. These also came out of a pallet that I got, and so I ended up paying about $4 for those. I earned $8.25, so minus my $4, I'm at $4.25 of profit on those. Then, because you cannot find them in the store anymore, I sold a swimsuit for really good money. So a new with tags, aqua green, black and aqua halter piece swimsuit. I actually paid $1 out of a liquidation box for those. $12 is what I earned, so I'm at $11 of profit for those. And then same thing with this cute skirt. I say same thing because I actually earned $12 as well on this cute skirt. Came out of a liquidation box for $1, and so I'm at $11 as well on that universal thread size 16 jean skirt. Then I have another swimsuit, a new Kona Soul crochet detailed swimsuit. Same thing. I sold it for $15, earned $12, paid $1 for it, so I'm at $11 again. It seemed like those 3 in a row. For some reason, that was the number that we were stuck with. Then I've got these Merona over-the-knee suede cognac Terran boots, size 7.5. I've got some more pairs of these, so check these out on my Poshmark store. The link is in the description below if you'd like a pair of those. Those are $20 is what I earned. I actually paid $7 for those, so I'm at $13 of profit for those cute boots. Then I've got these really nice wedge shoes here. They're women's size 6 kind of tan wedge shoes. I earned $11.05, paid $2 out of a liquidation box for those, and so I'm at $9.05. Then I have a pair of really cute black heels. I've already got them bagged up. They're a New Day Fiona ankle strap sandals. $6.05 is what I earned. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid. So $4.05 are my profits there. Then I've got another pair of those Cat and Jack shoes, the toddler boys Cat and Jack sneakers, Marty tan Velcro, just like I showed you, the very first pair on this video. I earned $5.25. $4 is what I paid, so $1.25 are my profits there. Then I have a robe that I paid $3 for, a sexy lingerie baby doll robe. $3 I paid for that. $4.25 is what I earned, so I'm at $1.25 for profit. Then I've got this new without tags Ava and Viv 4X women's top, $7.25. I love selling plus size clothing. It seems like it sells really well. $7.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $6.25. And then last but not least, I sold this really cute Juniors BCX soft knit wrap dress, size medium. $24 is what I earned, and $3 is what I paid for that at $21 of profit. So I'm going to go ahead and add up how many orders this is and how much I earned for these 2 days of sales on Poshmark. So I've got everything added up. It comes to 14 total orders for $104.65. Not too shabby for all these shoes that I sold, and it's going to be very easy to package them. So I'm going to package these up, get them to my customer, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.